Groove music.
Hey guys, Kia here, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this cute two ponytail situation using K Collection hair. So if you're interested in seeing more hair videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, we'll just get into the video right now. I begin with my hair blown out. It's really air dry. I just brushed it out. It looks a complete mess. But these are my K Collection bundles that I'm using. I use the watercolor method to color the hair, and I'm just using a wide tooth comb to part my hair down the middle. Self-explanatory. I'm just prepping my hair for two buns.
That's good.
After I've got my rough draft part, I like to take a rat tail comb to kind of define that part out a little bit more. Next, you want to separate one half of your hair and use a clip just to get it out of the way for the time being, so we can get ready for this first little ponytail. So first I'm going to make sure I take a paddle brush and detangle my hair. Now I'm going to use a paddle brush to detangle my hair a little bit more. My hair was already detangled, but this just ensures that my ponytail is nice and smooth and it's not lumpy. Now that I've figured out where I want to place the ponytail, I'm using my Gots to Be Glue freeze spray just to start molding this ponytail into a ponytail. I'm also pairing this with my Gots to Be Glue gel and creating a light mop ponytail just so I can get this shaped perfectly before I finalize this bun. I'm really taking my gel and securing the perimeters of this ponytail and also straightening out my middle part with my rat tail comb. This is going to give me the cute sleek bun that I need. Also pulling out some baby hairs so that I can style them later, because you know Gots to Be Glue will have your hair stuck. And to make it more stuck, I'm taking my blow dryer and just blow drying that in place so that my hair won't be as curly. I'm going to try to get it a little bit straight. Now that I got the first ponytail secured, I'm just going to comb out the ends and braid it into a plait so that I can wrap it around and make the smallest bun possible. Now I'm just going to touch up my hair with the blow dryer to make sure I don't have any stray hairs out of this ponytail. I'm just taking my plait and wrapping it around as tight as possible and securing it with another rubber band. Very simple. Alright, and since this is two ponytails, I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side and get right back to you. You can already see how one side is going to look. So I'm using K Collection hair to do this ponytail. I began by taking a strand of the track and wrapping it around first just to secure it. And then I'm wrapping it clockwise around the bun and securing it with the bobby pin. About every wrap, I'm giving it 2 bobby pins. So the bobby pins are basically 2 inches apart. And just continue to wrap until you have no more track left. Very easy. like you got it done at the salon. You want to take about 1 inch of hair and spray it with the Got to Be Glued spray. Make sure it's combed out and wrap it tightly around your bun. So just spray a little bit and wrap very tightly. You want to create the illusion of a band with your hair. So make sure it's a flat, wide band. Continue the wrap and spray process until you're all the way at the end. Once you're finished, you can take another bobby pin and secure that band in place. Now your ponytails look nice and neat. Fresh out the salon. Thank you guys. I hope that you like it. This took me about 20 minutes to do. So if you're looking for something cute and funky to start off your new year, try 2 ponytails. And if you do try it, leave a comment in the box below. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all.